cleared it. Wait, it's stuck. Oh, he totaled a Hot Wheels.
We're losing the shipment. It's just beach balls?
Well, at least the landing was soft and deeply embarrassing.
Mission successful. Suspect cleared. Roofie, non-essential.
We're clear. Wait, did we forget something?
Looks like someone got a fresh batch of organic carpeting.
You know how hard it is to mix cement without the drum?
Pull harder! Pull! Or don't. Folks, this is our scenic convertible route. Please mind your heads.
We have arrived at Gate 4. Please exit responsibly.
Why is it always the banana peel? And oh, look, donuts!
My gold? No. At least it looks like a nice shiny pile now.
We made it, but where's the front of my truck?
Madam, the complimentary champagne has been redistributed.
Emergency services, please hold. We've got a slight detour through the headlines.
That's all, folks.
Well, I guess some things are just built to be sunk.
Class dismissed. Vertically.
They said it was a high-priority cargo run. They lied.
A new speed record for the afterlife.
Close call. They spin, but they live.
Houston, we have a vertical parking job.
The load made it! I didn't!
Field trip to the city! Woohoo! Clear! That was easy. Oh, sorry about the heavy machinery.
Nailed it. Now, how do I explain the 3 spin marks?
Whoa! Wrong button. That's what I get for eating lunch and driving.
Soft landing. We live. Wait, who left the parking brake on? Where's my helmet? Oh, never mind, found it.
I told you, no more fruit on the highway.
We'll be right back. Gotta find the truck's face.
Code 4. We have multiple escapees and one very dizzy van.
A dramatic and extremely slow plunge into despair.
Well, I guess this is what they call a tight fit.
It's an oil tanker doing a water cannon show. Strike! The smallest vehicle wins the day.
Free ride. And a whole new view. Mission accomplished! Both vehicles in the hole! The grand finale! A symphony of destruction!
I think I just invented the new way to stop.
Well, this is awkward. Anyone got a ladder? Who puts a donut hole in the road? I hate vegetables! Ugh, especially oversized ones.
Parkour. And extreme electric propulsion.
Did we duplicate? And are we still hauling half the load? That ride was trash! Literally! Nailed the stunt. Failed the delivery. I think I need a nap and a slingshot lesson.
I've always wanted a sailboat.
We'll take the chocolate swirl and maybe a neck brace. See? Teamwork always wins. Now who's gonna drive over those logs?
Should have used the passing lane, officer.
Fastest ride ever. To the city. Well, there goes the world's supply of whatever was in those boxes. Indoor parking. And a surprise delivery for the man in the van. It's a trap. A self-inflicted, explosive trap. Perfect wash. For the front half.
Express delivery to the other side.
I'm okay. And launched me.
Get out of my pool! And where's my fence?
Yeehaw! Look at me go! Oof!
I guess we're here for a while. Bring coffee.
A perfect triple axle of disaster.
Turn off the engine.
Nailed the landing. Wait, where am I going?
End of the line. Watch your step, folks. A terrifying trip ended in a tiny splash.